What if I told you everything you've ever seen, every star, every planet, even you, exists inside something so vast, so incredibly huge, that we can't fully understand it? But here's the strange part. It's bigger than any dream. Just how big is the universe? Today we're going on a journey to find out. Are you ready? The universe is everything. Space, time, matter, energy, all wrapped into one unimaginable reality. Everything you can imagine. And here's the shocking part. It all began about 13.8 billion years ago. From an extremely hot, dense state, space itself began expanding. We call this the Big Bang. Here's the crazy part. It wasn't an explosion in space, but an expansion of space itself. But what you see is only a tiny fraction. Most of the universe is actually invisible to our eyes. It's made of mysterious dark matter and dark energy. We detect it indirectly through its gravitational effects on the stars we can see. Only 5% of the universe is visible. That means 95% of everything out there is still one of the biggest mysteries in science. Inside this vast universe are countless celestial bodies, from tiny grains of dust to massive stars to entire galaxies. There are trillions of them, each one a unique piece of the cosmic puzzle. Now here's something most people don't realize. Our solar system, just one star. The sun, surrounded by planets, moons, and asteroids, our little neighborhood. And Earth is right here, a tiny blue marble in the vastness. It's amazing that we are here at all, isn't it? If this is blowing your mind, hit like so more people can see it. Now this is where your brain might break. Zooming back, you can see just how tiny our home really is compared to the rest of the galaxy. It's quite a view. Let's simplify this. If Earth were the size of a marble, the moon would be a tiny dot far away, like a speck of dust. And the nearest star? Even light takes over 4 years to reach it. That's how massive space really is. Space is mostly space. If the Milky Way were the size of Earth, our entire solar system would be smaller than a coin. Mind-blowing, right? Scientists measure these distances using something called a light year. The distance light travels in one entire year. When you look at the night sky, you're actually looking back in time. You're a time traveler without even moving. Some galaxies you see are over 13 billion years old. Their light traveled for billions of years just to reach your eyes. Scientists still debate the shape of the universe. It might be flat, curved, or possibly infinite. It's a cosmic puzzle, meaning it could go on forever, with no edge at all. It just keeps going, but it gets even bigger. Galaxies don't exist alone. They form clusters, superclusters, and massive cosmic structures like a giant web. This cosmic web is the largest known structure in the universe. It's like a giant city of light stretching across the dark. And somewhere inside one of these is our home, the Milky Way. It's our tiny corner of the cosmos, our home sweet home. One of the biggest questions in science, is there anyone else out there? Is there someone looking back at us? Scientists have even sent messages into space, hoping someone, somewhere, might hear us. A cosmic hello to the stars. Quick challenge, let's test your cosmic knowledge. What percentage of the universe can we actually see? Is it a lot or a little? Take a second to think. Comment your answer now. 3, 2, 1, 0. Don't be shy, give it a guess. The answer is C, less than 10%. Most of the universe is invisible, and still a mystery. You're a cosmic genius. It's a reminder of how much more we have to learn. The universe is full of surprises, and we've only just begun to look. Think about this. Every atom in your body was once inside a star. Every single one. You're not just in the universe. You are made from it. You are literally stardust. You are part of the story. The universe is expanding continuously over time, evolving, and still full of secrets waiting to be discovered. It's growing every day. And maybe, one day, you could be the one to uncover them. The next big discovery is waiting for you. Scientists don't yet know what lies beyond the observable universe. If it's everything, then what could possibly exist outside it? If this made you think, hit like, subscribe, and join Learn with Adeesha, where curiosity never ends. We're exploring the wonders of science and nature every week. Don't miss out on the adventure. See you soon. Next, we're answering something even crazier. Can you guess what it is? See you in the next one. Stay curious, space explorers. The universe is waiting. Goodbye for now.